Hello all and welcome to this installation guide and review of the Olixar film screen protector for the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. Within the pack you don't just receive one protector but two, meaning for you to be able to provide immediate protection to your handset for if in the event the first protector was to become damaged. This also makes this form of screen protection extremely cost efficient. Before applying any screen protector, I would always recommend turning off your phone, as you do not want the display to keep activating during the installation. I would also suggest removing your fingerprint and then reapplying it once the film has been attached. You'll receive all of the tools that will be needed to apply the film to your screen. This includes a microfiber cloth, wet wipes, dust removal sticker, application card, guide stickers, and the small attachment that ensures that the film is fit precisely. So without further ado, let's get started. You'll firstly need to wipe down your display with the wet wipe, eliminating any dirt or grease. Now, using the microfiber cloth, remove any excess liquid that might be left from the wet wipe. Next, take the dust removal sticker and repeatedly dab the screen to lift up any unwanted dust and lint from your display. We can now turn our attention to applying the film to the screen. Take the plastic attachment and insert it into the phone. Make sure you have the raised areas facing upwards, as we are now going to place the cutouts on the film protector onto them. Once the protector has been placed, pull back the tab labelled 1, and where the film splits in the middle, run the application card along the display. The plastic will detach from the film to expose the adhesive, allowing for it to then stick to the screen. To attach the rest of the film, follow the same process, though this time pull back the tab located at the speaker end of the handset. Before you complete the process by pulling back tab labelled 2, use the application card to push out any bubbles. If you were to do this after removing tab 2, you could damage the film. And there you are, you now have almost invisible screen protection attached to your display. This is the perfect way to prevent scratches forming on your screen, though I do think that the film would struggle to defend your device from hefty impacts. If you are looking for something that is robust, a glass protector would be more ideal. You'll be able to access your phone without any issues post-application. The camera is cut out perfectly to allow your face recognition to work as like before. The same applies for the fingerprint access. Therefore, you can continue to protect your phone's contents in the safest way possible. The film is crystal clear, meaning for you to be able to view your screen to its full potential. Because of its incredibly thin construction and its precise fit, you can attach any case to the handset to ensure it receives 360 protection, allowing for you to take advantage of all of the spectacular covers that are available for this smartphone. Feel of the film is smooth to touch, meaning you will not experience any friction when scrolling through your device. Your handset's touch response is unaffected by the film, though if needing to you can change the touch sensitivity of the handset in the settings. Overall, I'm exceptionally impressed by the installation process. Film protectors tend to be considered fiddly in comparison to other screen protectors. However, the tools that have been included to assist you make the installation incredibly easy and quick, which allows for me to add screen protection to the device within minutes. If you would like to purchase the Olixar film protector for your handset, check out the link in the description and comments below. For more regular content to keep you up to date with the latest and greatest smartphone accessories, please hit our like and subscribe button. Thank you for watching and enjoy the rest of your day.